Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ms. Nainun Nahar, Assistant Teacher, English, Bunaynagar Pilot Girls High School, Faridpur, Pabna. Hello student, how are you? Hope you are very well. Today we are going to online class and we learned about narration. Class 9 English second paper. These topics: narration, Dear student, we know that reporting speech and speaker into words, these are direct speech and indirect speech. We reported speaker actually word, then it is called direct speech, and when we do not spoke a speaker actually word, then it is called indirect speech. For example, if I say Rohim said to me, I am writing a letter, then here I am writing a letter direct speech because I am reporting the actual word of Mr. Rohim. If I say Mr. Rohim told me he was writing a letter, here I am reporting actually word Mr. Rohim. So this is indirect speech. Dear student, you have learned a lot about class 8. Today I will discuss in short about narration because you are a student of class 9. So let's start. Mr. Rohim said to me, I am writing a letter. Look at this direct speech. Let us identify. Mr. Rohim said to me, reporting space. Mr. Rohim is subject. Said reporting verb. Me reporting object. I am writing a letter is reported speech. Reported speech. I reported subject. Am auxiliary verb. Writing principal verb. A letter reported object. Then here we see reported speech object Mr. Rohim, reporting verb said and reporting object me. And you are see I am writing a letter within inverted comma is reported speech, and we also see auxiliary verb is am. and principal verb is writing. These are the reported verb. So you are understand? Okay, student. What is word now? We will discuss fundamental rules of narration. Rule number 1. We use a linker before the indirect speech. For example, direct he said, I am unwell. Indirect he told that he was unwell. Here you see that the liquor before the indirect speech. Rule number 2. The pronouns are sense according to sense. For example, direct he said to me, you are ill. Indirect he told me that I was ill. Rule number 3. If the reporting verb present tense or future tense the tense of the verb of the direct speech is not changed at all. For example, direct speech he says I am ill. Indirect, he says that he is ill. Direct speech, Rahim will say I have finished the work. Indirect, Rahim will say that he has finished the work. You here see two sentences. One sentence he says I am ill, and second sentence Rahim will say I have finished the work. We are understood, student? Okay. Rule number 4. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, we must make of the following sense. Direct speech, indirect speech. Present, indefinite, will become past indefinite. Present continuous will become past continuous. Present perfect will become past perfect. Present perfect continuous will become past perfect continuous. Past indefinite, tense will become past perfect. Past continuous will become past perfect continuous. Okay, dear our student, you are understand assertive sentence. Direct speech, Rina said to Mina, I write a letter. You see this sentence. What will be indirect speech? Indirect speech. Rina told Mina that she wrote a letter. This sentence is assertive sentence. So the repeating verb said to has changed to told, and you as see repeating verb said to is the past tense. So the tense of the reported speech has changed according to the constructing past tense. What I wrote down earlier a few minutes ago, I write a letter, she wrote a letter. I has become he because the subject of the reporting speech Rina third person. It is very easy, you do not need to think so much about 10, just see that, write, wrote. You just need to change the person, then is very simple. You know there are three form verb: present form, past form and past participle form. You will just write the past form of the verb write, wrote. Write, wrote. You are understand, student? Okay. So you will just write down wrote. Rule number 5. If the statement is a habitual truth or universal truth, no sense of tense is required. For example, he said, I walk for an hour every morning. In direct speech, he said that he works for an hour every morning. In the other sentence, direct the teacher said man is mortal. Indirect, the teacher said that man is mortal. This sentence is universal truth. So the sentence is no change. Rule number 6. Some words of time expression. Some words of time expression and place expression are changed if the reporting verb is in the past tense. Direct speech indirect speech. Indirect speech. Now will become then. Come will become go. Here will become there. Today will become that day. That day. Tomorrow will become the next day. Yesterday will become the previous day. Etc. For example, direct Rahim said to me, I will go to school tomorrow. Tomorrow. Indirect. Indirect space. Rohim told me that he would go to school the next day. You here see the repeated sentence is the future indefinite tense. So will into would, tomorrow into the next day. Okay, my dear student, understood? My dear student, open your hand note, write down the homework. My dear student, write down the homework. Number 1. He said, I do it. Number 2. Mitul said, I was playing football. Number 3. The farmer says, I am busy. Number 4. Mother said, the sun rises in the east. Number 5. He said to me, I went to Pabna yesterday. Number 6. I said to you, I don't believe you. Number 7. Sister said, I wrote a letter. My dear student, open your hand note and please write down the homework. Okay, my dear student, no more today. Everyone, thanks you very much for attending my class. Next, we will see soon. All the best. Goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe.